Guys, welcome back for another video of Search Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you can reset this service indicator of a smart Forfour. This one comes from 2018. This is slightly different than my previous videos about a smart Forfour. This car doesn't have any buttons over here. If you see my other videos, you'll see that it's different. Let's start right away. First of all, I've just reset it, as you can see. First of all, turn the ignition on to the second position. All the lights must go on. All the doors must be closed. Then we're gonna use this to scroll through the menu. Find the indicator that shows the service indicator. Once you are here, press and hold this button. You'll see that this indicator over here starts blinking, and it's important for you, as when it starts blinking, keep this button for about 20 seconds till it stops blinking, and you'll see that the range indicator changes to 2 indicators or 1 indicator. Then you'll know that the service indicator has been reset. It takes about 20 seconds, so be patient. As you can see, now the range indicator is a double 1, so the service indicator has now been reset. As I mentioned before, it's slightly different than my previous videos. It doesn't have the buttons over here. Thank you for watching. I have more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Have a look at our channel for more videos, some use tips and tricks about cars. Hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.